Hello, welcome back. It's Thursday. I can't believe how quickly this week has gone. It's been an absolute disaster, and the video I had planned to film for tonight has not even been filmed. I didn't want to not upload a video, so I thought I would just catch up with all of you, let you know what I have been up to, and go from there really. Firstly, we're going to have a look in the polytunnel and see how my onions and the carrots are doing. I've not been up here for a couple of days, so let's have a look. I think I've just come in here at the right time because it started raining quite a lot now. So yeah, this week has just been a bit crazy. Firstly, my son is on holiday from school for 2 weeks, which is absolutely fine. But the beginning of the week, Monday, the Welsh Government announced that we were going to be going into a 2-week lockdown starting from this Friday at 6 p.m, which has meant I've had to do double the amount of hours this week in work to make up for next week being closed. And then when we come back in 2 weeks, I need to work double the amount of hours that week as well to counteract this 2 weeks off, basically. So firstly, I've just been really busy with work. But also, in the time I've not been working, I've had to go and make mad dashes to a garden centre because I ordered 3 fruit trees online last week, I think it was. After I'd filmed my apple tree video, I ordered some more fruit trees online because I'd done loads of reading up about fruit trees, and I was really inspired by my own videos. So I went and bought these trees and stuff, which are coming I think next week possibly. And I suddenly thought, oh my goodness, we're going to be closed down for 2 weeks and not everywhere stocks peat free. So this was a little bit of a drama, but it was fine. I've got a boot full, I think it's I've got 300 litres of peat-free compost in the boot. But yeah, that was a bit of a mission to go and find a garden centre that had that in stock. And then, it's just, yeah, been a little bit crazy. But earlier in the week, Monday, Stan came up to the allotment with me and he actually helped me plant some, plant some stuff on my allotment. But I'll show you that in a minute. But firstly, I just wanted to have a quick look round, check on my carrots, which as you can see here are doing pretty well. I'm really happy with those actually. They don't need a water either. I watered these on Monday and the ground is still quite moist there, so I'm pretty happy with that. And I also put the onions in, the onion sets in here, which just behind me. No sign of any onion sets coming up yet, but I've got a few carrots that were in here, and also all those green bits you can see there are weeds, so probably need to do a little bit of picking out of those. Still do plan to maybe plant some more stuff in some containers in here, but I'm not sure yet. But pretty happy with that. I'm not sure over the next couple of weeks how much I'm going to be coming down to the allotment because we are in a lockdown, and although you're allowed to come to the allotment, I've got loads to do at home, and I'm actually looking really forward to showing. I've had so many new subscribers over the last year that probably haven't seen much at home, because when I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't have allotments, and I was trying to restore my garden, and it was just so much work needs to be done, and it's not easy for growing vegetables. But because growing vegetables was the thing I know most about and the thing I'm most passionate about, when I got my allotments, I just spent a lot more time down here, and things at the garden haven't been done as much. So yeah, I'm really looking forward actually to, I've got 2 weeks off work, which means I'm going to have 2 weeks where I'm going to be able to actually get on with quite a lot of gardening. So yeah, I'm quite pleased about that. But yeah, what am I talking about? Sorry, I'm just going on now. I'm going to take you over and show you what me and Stan got up to on Monday. So one thing that my son is doing at the moment is he is working towards getting his green Blue Peter badge. If you're not from the UK, basically there's a children's programme where if you do certain things and send in evidence, you get a Blue Peter badge. And if you get a Blue Peter badge, you get into loads of places for free, like museums or, stuff like that you usually have to pay for. And kids, I always wanted one as a kid. He's working for his green one, which means he has to do environmentally friendly things. So because of that, he came down the allotment with me on Monday, and he helped me do some gardening, which was really fun because I really want to like help encourage him more to do gardening. But if I try and tell him he needs to do it, he's not so interested. But he came out and planted some onions and some garlic, which was great, and he really enjoyed it actually. So what I'll do is I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you what we got up to on Monday. This bed here that had my Sapamira potatoes in, we put we put 2 lots of garlic in here. So we put the Casablanca, which is either here or here, but we put the Casablanca and the Marco in, and then just here we put the Senshayu onions, which are the kind of overwintering onions. So that was great because Stan helped me with that, and he was really interested that because it was onion sets that we planted, he was really confused that how would a small onion turn into a really big onion, which was great because I can't wait for him to actually harvest them and see, you know, how they grow, which is so great. Still in the middle, we've got the chickpeas and the soya beans, which I've harvested the soya beans now and I haven't podded them yet. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty overgrown in the middle, but I am so pleased that I've got some more garlic and some more onions in. I still have 2 lots of red onions to plant, and I still have my Germador garlic to plant as well. In here I planted some onions and some garlic, and I'm just having a look now and I can see the start of the onions actually coming through, so that's really exciting. They're all coming through now, which is great. And one of the other allotment holders, he picks up all this cardboard, so he keeps leaving loads of cardboard down at the bottom of my plot, which is really great because I can get more bits covered, which is, yeah, pretty cool. It's been quite nice actually just to pop down the allotment and just check on things today, because like I said, I don't know how much I'm going to be coming down here over the next couple of weeks. I have ordered these fruit trees, which I am planning on my no-dig allotment, which is so overgrown at the moment. I am planning on turning that into like a fruit plot, because in the winter I was up here on Monday and it was 11:30 and pretty much half of my allotment, or 2/3 of the allotment, was actually still in shade, which obviously over, you know, I'm not going to be able to plant anything here over autumn. So I am planning on turning this into like a fruit garden. So I don't know, you know, what I'm going to manage to get done. I've got my son home with me for the first week of lockdown, and then he's going back to school for the second week. So potentially, you know, I might be able to come down here for a whole week. I'm not working, so it might actually mean I get loads more done. But yeah, like I said, I've got things planned for home, which I also, you know, might try and do next week. So I'm not really sure what my plan for the type of videos that I'll be making over the next 2 weeks. But all I can just ask is, you know, please continue watching. You know, sorry I haven't done, you know, a really big video today, but like I said, you know, I do 2 videos a week, and I didn't want to miss not uploading a video tonight because you know, it's going to annoy YouTube if I haven't uploaded a video, but also I know there's quite a few of you that just, you know, enjoy watching my videos. So yeah, I wanted to keep you in the loop and tell you what I was up to, and also show you, you know, that I've managed to get more garlic in the ground and stuff. So yeah, there you go. I hope you've enjoyed watching today. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, this isn't a normal type of video. I do try and do kind of a mix of what I'm up to on the garden, and also like how to do different things that I'm learning as I go, because I really love kind of showing people what I've been learning and how to do different things. But yeah, anyway, there you go. YouTube have some videos up on the screen now that they think you'll like. So please go ahead and watch those, and I will catch up with you in the next episode. Bye.